a little windier than I would like, but it's not the end of the world. For tonight's dinner, we're going to have fish finger sandwiches. Such a mess. It's going to get a little bit cold now. Not that cold considering the time of year it is. About mid-November. I'm just going to have a nice cup of tea. Sun sets in about 15 minutes, about 4:30. So I'm going to pitch my tent as it's starting to get a bit dark. Got me some homemade banana bread. My hands are still a bit painty because I've been putting another layer of, well, a new layer on my tiny house. Some Ronseal just to protect it because last winter I didn't put anything on it and all my wood warped. So yeah, it's all ready this year. And now my stove's in. I'm looking forward to it getting even colder so I can appreciate having my wood burning stove on whilst being in there. So sunny, oh wow. So currently it says a clear sky and a gentle breeze. Wow. So clear, going to be highs around 11 degrees tonight. Slightly windy, about 50 miles an hour. Sunsets, the sun just set 10 minutes ago. 7 minutes past 4. I'll rise again tomorrow at 7:25, where it's meant to be misty, but we'll see. As much as I love wild camping, it's so much easier to camp in summer because you don't need to carry extra provisions, because my winter sleeping bag, as much as I love it, takes about a third of my rucksack, which is about a 40-litre bag. So I need to invest in a better sleeping bag, one that's more lightweight, and I think a better tent. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting into it again, getting snuggled down into my sleeping bag, chilling with my book, which is this book, which I actually said I would start reading a year ago. I never got round to it, so I've started it now. So I'm going to enjoy this and then pitch my tent. Yeah, clear sky. I kind of wonder if I should challenge myself to a snowy wild camp. So I guess if I took enough clothes, my tent, a bivy bag, a thermal fleece liner, I would be warm enough. And some hot food and a hot drink. It would be pretty lush to like wake up and like unzip your tent and there to be snow. So yeah, I think that's what I should challenge myself for when it snows. Of course, easier said than done whilst I sit here quite content with this cup of tea, as opposed to actually getting around to doing the wild camp in the snow, but we'll see. Watch this space maybe. Feels like I'm in some kind of bouncy castle. But I am quite appreciative of my tent tonight and my winter sleeping bag, despite it taking up about a third of my backpack. Toasty socks. It's actually really early. Time is 5:10, which it feels so much later than it is. Man, it's quite windy out there. I wish my camera was a bit better so you could see nighttime things, but it's just pitch black out there on the lens. But out there it's pretty starry tonight, which is quite nice. It's meant to be misty in the morning, so that'd be quite cool to see. But yeah, we're gonna relax, have some banana cake, which is somewhere. That bra! Have some banana cake, which is somewhere in my tent. And then, yeah, just reading to sleep. But yeah. Well, I guess good morning. It's currently nearly 10 to 7. The sun is slowly beginning to rise. It will be slowly sunrise at about 7:30. So I'm going to sit back with a cup of tea and watch it happen. I wish my camera could pick this up, but over there's like a lovely kind of blanket of clouds, which is just kind of sitting just above the sea. Kind of peeling away back from the land, and it's kind of going out. I think the tide's on its way out as well, so they're going to follow each other out. So yeah, I'm not sure if I will see a sunrise until maybe about half an hour after the official sunrise, because I think those clouds will delay it. But yeah, I'll probably drink this, pack down, hope that sunrise happens, and then head back down because I'm at work in about 2 hours. Got a confession, this is actually my second attempt at boiling water this morning because the first one fell over. Look at all this condensation. Well, I don't think the sunrise is going to happen for another hour or so, so I think I'm just going to head back and get out the wind. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I probably give that camping spot maybe 7 out of 10. I'm glad the wind did die down towards the earlier hours of the morning. But yeah. Bye.